Welcome. My name is Andrea Sampson, and I'm the CEO and founder of Talk Boutique and the Thought Leader Academy. I've been in the planning stages for a live event that we're doing in June in Toronto. And it's something we used to do regularly, but we've kind of gotten out of the practice of it. And it got me to thinking, many of us are still rebuilding that networking muscle. And one of the biggest parts of networking is being able to tell others who you are and what you do in about, 30 seconds or less. We call this an elevator pitch because it should be able to be communicated, when you get onto the elevator on the first floor and you go up to, floor 5 or 6. That's about 30 to 90 seconds. And I used to get asked this a whole lot. And so a while back, I created a framework to help my clients quickly articulate their value in a way that others wanted to hear more. And the framework sounds like this. It started off with what we call a hook, something that makes the listener want to hear more. This leads to, well, what do you do? It goes on to then communicating your unique value, something that only you provide. And then it ends on the impact that you've made, something that makes them want to ask you more questions. For me, it sounds like this. I help diverse experts transform into acclaimed thought leaders by helping them to access, articulate, and share their genius using a combination of high-value coaching, proven frameworks and tools inspired by my time in the TEDx world, along with access to speaking opportunities, connected communities, and personal branding techniques. Now, I've worked with some of the world's most impactful thought leaders, helping them to clarify their message and discover the opportunities, stages, or audiences where they influence and impact millions. Now, that always gets a lot of conversation going. People want to know how I got into it. What did I do? Did I do a TED Talk? Have I worked with TED? So many questions come out of that elevator pitch. And that's the point. You want to engage your audience in such a way that they want to know more. Starting a conversation is how you build a good network with those in an event. Now, if you want to up-level your elevator pitch, use this simple framework. It is really simple. It's just 4 steps. What's your hook? What do you do? What's your unique value? And what impact have you had on your target audience? If you want a copy of the framework with some of the explanations, just comment below. We'll get it out to you and make sure that you are ready for your next networking event. I can't wait to meet you. Take care.